Visualization Assessment 1. Government and Industrial Guidelines of Server Virtualization. When it comes to implementing virtualization of servers, there are several guidelines and policies that government agencies and organizations follow. Let's explore some of them. Firstly, for Australian government policies. 1. The Digital Sourcing Policy provides guidelines for sourcing digital services. 2. ISO IEC 21878 2018. This is an international standard that applies to Australia as well. It offers security guidelines for designing and implementing virtual servers. The National NEST guidelines. The National Institute of Standards and Technology provides guidelines for secure implementation. Focus on Australian government. 1. The Digital Sourcing Policy provides guidelines for sourcing digital services, including virtualization solutions, and it covers aspects like fair criteria, contract limits, and reviews. 2. The Secure Cloud Policy outlines strategies for secure cloud adoption. It guides agencies in addressing security requirements and improving service agility. And to remember, when it comes to virtualization of servers, a lot of aspects have to be considered, including the safety and dangers of encryption, make data anonymous, and how to deal with security breaches. Now on international guidelines for server virtualization. Australian policies and international policies guarantee the same thing, but are different in the way they are done. ISO. This international standard offers security guidelines for designing and implementing virtual servers. It addresses the global trend of enterprises and government agencies adopting server virtualization technologies within their IT infrastructure. International policies. Continuing with international policies, there are different uses for them, not only security and putting everything on pattern. NIST guidelines. The National Institute of Standards and Technology provides guidelines for secure implementation and management of virtualization technologies. These guidelines help federal organizations achieve cost savings while ensuring security for their information systems. While still maintaining security, the focus of this policy is cost reduction. Now with the benefits of server virtualization. When it comes to tech and new ways of virtualization, all the benefits and downsides. Server virtualization offers several benefits for organizations and business. Here are certain key advantages. 1. Resource utilization. Virtualization allows multiple virtual machines to run on a single physical server. This maximizes resource utilization by efficiently sharing CPU, memory, storage, and network resources. Organizations can consolidate servers, reducing the physical hardware footprint and associated costs. 2. Cost savings. By reducing the number of physical servers, organizations save on hardware, power, cooling, and maintenance expenses. Licensing costs for operating systems and software can also be minimized. 3. Improved scalability. Virtualized environments are flexible and scalable. Adding or removing VMs is easier than provisional physical servers. Organizations can quickly adapt to changing workloads and business needs. 4. Enhanced disaster recovery. VM snapshots and replication enable efficient disaster recovery. Organizations can quickly restore virtual machines from backups in case of hardware failures or other issues. High availability features ensure continuous service availability. Benefits of server virtualization 2. Isolation and security. VMs are isolated from each other, reducing the risk of software conflicts. Security features like firewalls, encryption, and access controls can be applied at the VM level. 2. Testing and development. Developers can create isolated VMs for testing and development without affecting production systems. Snapshots allow easy rollback to a known state during test. 3. Green IT. Server virtualization reduces energy consumption and lowers the carbon footprint. Fewer physical servers mean less power usage and heat generation. Remember that while virtualization offers significant benefits, proper planning, management, and security measures are essential for a successful implementation. As you can see, the way that virtualization works, all the virtual machines you can apply into a shared storage, as said in the previous slide, to affect on many different aspects. Different features of virtualization features. 1. Hypervisor-based virtualization. A Type 1 hypervisor is installed directly on physical hardware. It manages VMs without an underlying operating system. Examples include VMware, vSphere, and Microsoft Hyper-V. Type 2 hypervisor runs on top of an existing operating system. Examples include Oracle VirtualBox and VMware Workstation. 2. VM templates and cloning. VM templates allow rapid deployment of standardized VM configurations. Cloning creates identical copies of existing virtual machines for scalability or testing. 3. Live migration and vMotion. Live migration moves running VMs between physical hosts without downtime. VMware's vMotion enables seamless migration across hosts in a cluster. 4. Resource pooling and overcommitment. Resource pools allocate CPU, memory, and storage to virtual machines. Overcommitment optimizes resource utilization by allocating more resources than physically available. 5. Storage virtualization abstracts storage devices into a single pool. Features include thin provisioning, snapshots, and storage migration. Network virtualization. Virtual networks, VLANs, separate traffic. Software-defined networking enhances flexibility and management. 2. High availability. Ensures VM availability during host failures. HA clusters monitor hosts and automatically restart VMs elsewhere. 3. Backup and disaster recovery. VM snapshots and backups facilitate data protection. Replication to remote sites ensures disaster recovery. Security and isolation. 4. VM level security policies, firewalls, and antiviruses, and isolation prevents VM interference. 5. Nested virtualization. Running VMs inside VMs that's useful for testing. Remember that the choice of features depends on organizational needs, infrastructure, and budget, all being discussed in the next slides. We have a lot of different options and features of virtualization. 1. The one we already talked about, VMware or vSphere. Description follows. VMware vSphere is a robust virtualization platform that transforms data centers into aggregated computing infrastructures. It includes various components for managing virtualized resources. The features are 1. Monolithic hypervisor design. vSphere uses this design where device drivers are integral to the hypervisor layer. No operating system is needed to control virtualization components. Governance capabilities. Out-of-the-box governance features and transparent page sharing. Vendor support. It has excellent vendor support. Challenges. steep learning curve and hardware compatibility limitations. And the use cases are ideal for traditional and next-gen apps, AI ML workloads, and high-performance computing. Microsoft Hyper-V. Description: Hyper-V is a Microsoft native hypervisor, allowing multiple operating systems to run on one physical server. Features: Type 1 hypervisor, built directly into Windows, supports x86 and x64 systems. Supported guest OCs, Windows, Linux, DOS, Solaris, and more. Learning curve, easier for Windows-centric environments. That's our case. Use cases, versatile for various workloads, including development, testing, and production environments. And the next one, Oracle Virtual Machine. Description: Oracle Virtual Machine provides a fully equipped environment for leveraging virtualization benefits. Features: supports x86 and SPARC architectures, optimized for Linux, Windows, and Oracle Solaris workloads. Efficiency and performance is designed for efficiency and performance. Use cases: deploying operating systems and applications within a supported virtualization environment. We have those three options that we can use to implementate in our company. And the one we chose is Oracle VM. Oracle VM provides a fully equipped environment for leveraging virtualization benefits. We already read all of this. And according to the presented features, an easier way to implement said option, we chose Oracle VM. Why we chose Oracle VM? Benefits: full Oracle support. Oracle VM is fully supported by Oracle, ensuring compatibility with Oracle applications and databases. It's an ideal choice for running Oracle workloads. 2. Is cost effective. Oracle VM minimizes infrastructure and software licensing costs due to its low overhead hypervisor design. It's a budget-friendly option for businesses. That's our case. 3. Enterprise-grade performance. Built on an open-source KVM environment, Oracle VM offers robust performance. It's optimized for both x86 and SPARC architectures. 4. Security updates without rebooting. Oracle VM allows you to patch hypervisors without downtime using technologies like KSplice live patching. 5. Secure application access for remote workers. Oracle VM VirtualBox provides secure remote access to restricted applications while protecting sensitive data. How to implement Oracle VM in our business? Planning. Understand your business requirements and workloads, and review Oracle VM setup and architecture. 2. Deployment. Import Oracle VM templates for e-business suite or other workloads. Create virtual machines based on these templates. Start the VMs and configure e-business suite for other applications. Lifecycle management. 3. Manage VMs using Oracle VM Manager. Consider saving VMs as templates for future use. Business requirements. Virtualization needs. Identify the need for server virtualization within your organization. Determine which workloads, example, database applications, will benefit from virtualization. High availability. Define high availability requirements. Example, minimizing downtime or failover capabilities. Consider business continuity and disaster recovery needs. Resource optimization. 3. Assess resource utilization, CPU, memory storage to optimize efficiency, and evaluate workloads capability and flexibility. We chose Oracle VM because all of those examples. In our businesses, It's very important to have a easier system to implement for people to be able to understand and work around it. Cost considerations. Licensing costs. Understand Oracle VM licensing costs based on the number of virtual CPUs and memory resources. Consider resource-based pricing for VM instances. Infrastructure costs. Calculate hardware costs, server storage, networking for Oracle VM deployment. Includes costs for Oracle VM Manager and Oracle VM Server licenses. And operational costs factor in ongoing operational expenses, maintenance, monitoring, and support. 1. Businesses requirements to implement. 3. Environment setup. Install Oracle VM VirtualBox on your management workstation. Deploy Oracle VM servers, physical or virtual, where you plan to run virtual machines. Oracle VM Manager installation. Set up Oracle VM Manager on a separate server. Configure network connectivity between Oracle VM Manager and Oracle VM servers. Create virtual machine templates. Create VM templates for Oracle e-business suite or other workloads. Import these templates into Oracle VM Manager. VM deployment. Deploy VMs based on the templates and configure VM settings. High availability configuration. 5. Set up Oracle VM high availability features, including live migration and failover. Configure resource pools and HA clusters. And the last step, testing and validation. Test VM failover scenarios. Validate HA configurations and performance. Thank you guys. This was the presentation.